Good evening, welcome to Morrisons Gravesend. So look at this fancy thing behind me, look at this, look. We've now got a proper charging hub. Look at it, look. Wow, that's cool, isn't it? Let's go and have a look. So we have got, I'm going to flip the camera around so we can see what's going on. See exactly what's going on around here. Let's flick it around. Okay, so we've got 400 kilowatts. Don't forget that's 800 volt cars, 400 kilowatt chargers. These are Alpitronic, I believe. Another one here, and we've got a car wash over there, and we've got a jet wash behind me as well. So I'm going to do the plug-in because I know you guys like to see the plug-in. So let's do that. So let's see what we can do. Let's plug in. Okay. So we're going to plug in. I'm not sure what way you're supposed to do this. Let's check instructions. There we go. So it says, please continue. Tap card, bank card to begin. Now I'm not sure whether these are on Octopus. Don't think they are actually. So what I'm going to do, I'm tap the card. Is it on here? Huh? I don't know. Yeah. Go. Tap card. Reservation. Okay. So is that annoying £45 holding fee? And then we're going to plug her in. The chargers are making some interesting noises, and we are winding up. Let's see what we get. Car is at 22%, I believe. So we might not get maximum speed, but we should get a good speed because it's the battery's quite warm. Here we go. 150 kilowatts. In fact, that is pretty quick. Look at that. It's proper going for it, that is. In fact, that's the fastest I've seen from an Alpitronic unit on this car, on this 400 volt car. So 170 was that? I'm just trying to multitask here, guys. So yeah, so while that's charging, well, I'm only literally going to stick in a couple of quid because tonight, being Sunday, Octopus have said that it was basically half price charging for people on the tariff. Here we go. So yeah, so it's quite nice, isn't it? Have a quick look around before I unplug. So we've got, as I say, there's 800 kilowatts of power on each one of these. Don't think it's shared power. Might be. Maybe some people can tell me whether I'm right or wrong on that. But yeah, and then the two over there, of course, as you can see. And this is Morrisons. I'm going to show you. This is Morrisons Gravesend. It's literally just off the A2. The A2 is just over there, literally like 1 minute away. So you just come down the A2 and then come around on yourself, and there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna come around quickly because the sun is right there. It's in a lovely day with a lovely sunset. So let's go back to the machine, go back to the charging unit, and we're going to disconnect now. Just wanted to see how fast it would go, and it just shows you might even get 200 kilowatts out of that on a 400 volt car, which is pretty good, really, isn't it? Oh, well, that one, don't I? Active sessions. What's it doing now? I don't know what it's doing. There we go. So, in fact, it says 200 kilowatts available, so it's not 400 kilowatts per side, it's 200 kilowatts shared. 400 shared. So Yeah. So I'm going to stop my charge now. Let's see how you do that. Select this one. Stop. Confirm. And then there you go. Just a little quick update on the new MFG charging hub here at Morrisons in Gravesend in Kent. Stay tuned for more little updates. Thank you very much. Bye bye.